What's up guys, I'm Zain and today I'm going to show you how to send custom invoice on Shopify. Now, first thing you should do is to simply go to your Shopify, log in using your account, then go to your dashboard right here. And now go to the bottom left corner and choose settings right here. Then what you should do right now is to simply head directly to notifications. Click on notifications. Then here you will find many options as you can see. Just click on customer notifications. Then you should scroll down till you find in this section right here, order exceptions. You will find this option right here, order invoice. So click on it. Then it will show you the preview of the invoice. Here you have the invoice number. You have also the name of your store. And down below right here, you will have the order summary, the customer information, shipping address, billing address, and shipping method. And now you can click on edit code and simply you can change any one of these codes right here in order to do some small notifications. And after you finish editing this code, you can simply go up again and click on preview. Then it will show you exactly from this site right here how will your invoice look, just in order to check that you didn't do anything wrong using the codes. And after that, you can simply click on send test email and you can send the invoice to the customer. So by clicking on send test, it will send you a test invoice to your Gmail itself. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.